Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Mel at tuturuan ko po kayong gumawa ng Facebook cover gamit natin ang Canva. Ito po ang ginagamit kong pag-layout para sa mga pinipost ko sa aking Facebook, YouTube at Instagram accounts. Canva po is a free graphic design platform na very famous ngayon. Libre po ang paggamit ng Canva pero kung gusto nyong bilhin yung Canva Pro ay nasa inyo na yan. Ako kasi mahilig akong gumamit ng editing softwares na libre. Bakit kailangan magbayad kung pwede naman kunin na libre? Sa totoo lang po ay nagagawa ko naman lahat ng gusto ko gamit ang libreng edition nila. You just have to let your imagination run wild when creating your masterpiece. Tiyaga lang po ang kailangan. Tara let's po at umpisahan na natin ang ating tutorial episodes.
So, umpisahan na nating mag-create ng cover page para sa ating Facebook cover. So, when you open your Canva, it will gonna be like this one. So, meron kayong ditong home file. Yung resize is, since meron kang nakikitang parang corona dyan, that is, if you have the Canva Pro, this will automatically be accessible. But for me, I'm just trying to use the free edition. So, meron akong ganyan. So, I'm not going to use that. But instead, I'll be using some of the tools which is located on this side here. We have the design tool, the elements, the uploads, the text, the projects, the audio, the videos, the background, and the apps. So what I'm trying to do here is, kikita nyo to, meron na akong na-create na ibang cover page which is this one. I have this. I have another page in here which is this. Very simple design. I also have this one. Another one which incorporate lots of my pictures over here. And then meron din akong ganito, something like a business, about business, something like that. And then we have like something like a calling card. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create a simple cover page for our Facebook. So I'm giving you a blank page over here. So dito sa blank page, meron kang nakikita ngayon na parang plus sign and a garbage, something like a garbage icon in here. That means you can delete the page over here and you can use this one to add more pages on this particular layout. So this area here will gonna be our working area. So what I'm going to do here is we're going to create only a very simple cover page which involves a picture and a text only. So just for the meantime, just picture and a text. For these ones, pagka medyo alam nyo na yung mga pasikot-sikot ng pag-create o pag-layout using Canva, you can actually explore this kind of things as well. So it's just a matter of like familiarization of all the tools that you can use on this application. And right now, we'll be using a very simple technique only. Just add pictures and at the same time and a text. So what I'm trying to do here is we're going to add a picture and this one. So to access that, you have to go to your upload. So this is now my upload files in here. I'm going to use my particular picture which is this one. Medyo cute ako dyan ng konti. So clicking on this one will automatically put the picture on this work area. So what we're going to try here is that we're going to expand this one using these tools here. You can resize it using this one, or you can simply use your mouse, right click on this one, and then you have your options here. So you can copy this, you can paste it, you can duplicate it, you can delete if you want. But I'm going to choose this set image as background. So because I'm going to use my picture as a background. So clicking on this one will make this particular output. So, anong kulang dyan? So, maglalagay tayo ngayon ng text. So, if you're going to put a text in here, all I have to do is to access the text in here. And it will give you these options in here. Pwede kang mamili ng mga font na gusto mo. Eto lahat yan may mga bayad na yan, but I'm not going to use those. I'm not going to pay anything that you can actually create it using the free edition. So I'm going to use something like a very simple text. So dito, kukunin ko something like this one. I like to use this one. So clicking on this one will give you this one over here. So drag this anywhere in your work layout. So this one. Pwede ka maglaro-laro ng ganyan, oh. So for this, kung napapansin nyo, dugtong sila. They go together. But if you want to ungroup this text, you can do that by simply using this one over here. You can see, like, I cannot see any ungroup message or ungroup command in here. So what I'm going to do here is maybe this one here because it says more, right? So clicking on that one will give you more options. So you can ungroup the text, you can position here, you can also change the transparency if you want. So I'm trying to ungroup the text, so I'm going to choose this. So ungrouping that, if you click outside of your work area, it will automatically deselect the text. And so when you hover your mouse to your text here, notice that it will only move the single text now, the happy. But I'm trying to use here is that I like to type a text in here. So how to do that? You simply double click on this text and type probably come and explore. There you go. Resizing this one is using this one here, or you can simply add or press this one, or you can simply highlight this one like that. And then you can type the desired font size if you want, like, say, 100. And then pressing enter key will make the text more bigger. So adjusting that, because if you see that, it will like come up with the two lines. But if you want it to be a single line, just have to like stretch it. Kumbaga parang ini-stretch mo yung lastiko, di ba? So moving that, I think I have to use a different color for this. Let's say we'll try to change it into a red. So I have to choose that into red, clicking on this icon here and changing that color, the text to red. Come and explore probably this one. We're gonna change it this one to Kitty Mat. Kitty Mat, British Columbia. There you go. Okay, stretching it because I want it to be a single line. There you go. So this text here is somewhat like big enough, right? So I want it to be like a little bit smaller. So all I have to do is to just simply adjust this on this side. We'll make it a little bit smaller. There you go. And then drag it probably somewhere there. There you go. So simply, this will gonna be my cover page. So this is located on page 8. I want to save this one. So to do that, I'll have to click on the share here and then moving down, click the download. Now this time, since I'm not going to save the whole pages because I only want to save the page number 8, all I have to do now is to unselect everything. And since I'm currently working on page 8, I simply have to click on this one, current page 8. So notice the one that is being selected is only page number 8, which is this one here. So I'm going to choose that. But take note, there are also options for your file type. You can save this one as JPEG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, MP4 video, or GIF. I'm going to use the PNG, which is this one. It is suggested. And I'm going to download this one. So the moment it will download, it will automatically put you into your download folder. So clicking on your file explorer here, go to your downloads, and there you go. That will be your file now. So we'll click on this one. Let's say medium icons. That will be my cover page here. So double clicking on that one, that will now be the final output of this. There you go. Hope you like it. Now, drop some questions down below and we'll let you know, and then we'll discuss it on the next lesson. Thank you so much for watching and hope you like it. Bye bye now.